powder. Number 1. U Vernal Matcha powder. It is high quality and energy booster. It increases memory and concentration, gives you energy, and it is digestion enhancer. Number 2. Tea Hut Matcha powder. It has more antioxidants than green tea bags. It is natural fat burner, pure organic with no additives, and it is healthier than coffee. Number 3. Matcha Matcha powder. It is pure and natural energy booster. It is on-the-go energy, antioxidant boost, support metabolism, and it has trusted quality. Number 4. Kiss Me Organics Matcha powder. It increases energy and supplement weight loss goals. It is organic, vegan, and non-GMO. Powerful antioxidant, long-lasting energy, and last of all, it's delicious and nutritious. And now editor's choice. Jade Leaf Matcha powder. It is authentic Japanese green tea powder. It is really helpful for your health. Check the link in the description below to get all these products. That's all about this video. Leave a comment what you like or dislike about this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Health and Wellness.